Number 5. On July 24, 2023 in Ocala, a man named Adarius Hagen was involved in a high-speed chase after crashing his vehicle and fleeing the scene in the other driver's car.
Oval, he's southbound in the northbound lane of baseline. We're at the 1700 block. Bad signal for Marion.
Kilo 697 tonight.
Kilo 6097. He took out a concrete pole. It looks like he's trapped in the vehicle right now. Go ahead and roll me medics 1018. Hey man, hey, stop moving stuff, dude.
After being detained, Hagen was charged with grand theft of a vehicle, fleeing from law enforcement, and assault. Number 4. On May 19, 2021, 5 teenagers in Florida were caught on camera attempting to steal a car. As they tried to escape, they hit a man riding a bicycle, leaving him injured before speeding away. Law enforcement quickly began tracking the suspects, who led officers on a dangerous chase down the highway. The teens were seen weaving recklessly between lanes, crossing over dividers, and putting countless drivers at risk before authorities finally intervened. From the helicopter footage, the suspect's car can be seen clipping another vehicle before crashing into a barrier and flipping over in the middle of the highway. As police closed in, 2 of the suspects attempted to flee on foot, but officers quickly moved in to detain them. All 5 teens were taken to the hospital for evaluation before being transported to court to face charges for their crimes. Number 3. On January 1, 2024, around 9 p.m. in Wisconsin, 3 men in a car were driving suspiciously when an officer attempted to pull them over. Instead of stopping, they sped off, leading to a high-speed chase.
Hey, he's still in here. Is he breathing? Can you see?
I don't know.
Hey, you alive? Check a pulse. Hey, you alive? Try to pull him out. Try to pull him out of the car if you can.
Dude, I look at his legs.
Oh yeah,
in
no,
there.
he can't. We're not gonna be able to get him out.
8535. He's trapped in the vehicle, unable to pull him out.
After a lengthy pursuit, the car crashed into a tree, killing all 3 men instantly. A later report revealed that the suspects were under the influence of meth at the time and had several stolen firearms inside the vehicle. Number 2. While driving on the highway, an officer heard a radio report about a stolen vehicle connected to a kidnapping. Moments later, he spotted a car matching the description passing by, prompting him to follow it. After getting behind the vehicle and confirming that all the details matched the report, the officer called for backup and initiated a traffic stop. The driver was identified as 35-year-old Lewis Coleman. When officers asked if anyone else was in the vehicle, he revealed that a woman was in the trunk. Inside, police found 22-year-old Jassy Correa's body stuffed inside a suitcase. Surveillance footage later showed Coleman purchasing the suitcase and other suspicious items just days before the crime, linking him directly to the incident. It's believed the two first met at a nightclub located far from where the young woman was last seen. After his arrest, he entered a plea, a surprising move given the overwhelming evidence against him, including the discovery of the victim's body in his car. Sentencing has not yet taken place, as he is still awaiting his court date. Number 1. On July 28, 2023 in Arkansas, an officer noticed a vehicle acting suspiciously and began to follow it. After observing its movements for a short time, the officer decided to pull the car over at a nearby petrol station to investigate further.
Hey, how's it going, boss man? You care to put your hands on the steering wheel for me? Hey, man, I stopped you tonight because you don't have a light on your license plate. It's completely blacked out, man. So you can't read it till we get right behind you. That's all right, man. It has to be readable up to 50 feet. You got a driver's license and insurance? Is there any marijuana in the car, man? I'm getting an odor of marijuana. I'm not messed up about marijuana. Is there a little bit of marijuana in the car? Just smoke or? How much is a little bit we talking? Well, don't reach for anything, please. Oh, dude. So a little bit of marijuana. Like I said, man, I'm not messed up about marijuana. Is there any weapons or anything? No weapons? Okay, you care to hop out for me? Yeah, I just need you to, like I said, dude, it's just marijuana. I'm not messed up about it, but I can't just, it's illegal, so I can't just let you drive away with it, you know what I mean? Well, I'd be neglecting my job. Is there something else in the car, man, that you're worried about? No. Okay. It's just part of my job, man. He's taking off. Pursuit.
140. I think I can turn around here.
Alright, I'm in the right lane, it's in the left lane. Is it Crown Vic?
I think supposedly trying trying to assault an officer.
Alright, I just about wrecked out. I TBI'd 1016.
I just about wrecked out. I TBI'd 1016. Wrecked out.
The driver was identified as 32-year-old DeMarcus Clark, who was reportedly fleeing toward his home state of Memphis. The officer wasn't going to let him escape and managed to stop Clark's vehicle. During the stop, the car became engulfed in smoke, which caused a backup officer to accidentally collide with it, resulting in a major crash. The impact caused Clark's car to catch fire, and he tragically died at the scene. An internal investigation was launched afterward, which found that both officers were not at fault and had not acted recklessly or committed any wrongdoing. Thanks for watching Volume 3. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. We'd also love to hear your thoughts, so let us know what you think in the comments below.